In Gujarat, a quiet idea is redefining how India and the world thinks about conservation. Vantara, a vision led by Anant Ambani, brings together national policy, state innovation, and corporate compassion. With smart conservation tools and data-driven rehabilitation, Vantara is placing India at the forefront of environmental technology. It's a living partnership between Gujarat's governance, Reliance's innovation, and India's environmental vision. From Gujarat to the global stage, Vantara proves that compassion can be India's most powerful export.